new world order. We are calling the shots now.
It's all about that guy, right, Odie?
Nothing can touch us. Oh man! Oh man!
Oh, man!
Man, oh man! You gotta let me out! You gotta let me out! Pull over to the side of the road!
Oh, no, they're talking to us!
Pull over! You gotta pull over!
We can't pull over! Hang on!
What could be worse than this?
What we got here is probably some teenagers going out for a joyride in their mom's car. Yeah, we'll shake them up a bit, send them home. Get out, kids. Nothing no strip search won't cure, yeah? Is the scene still on?
Is that a camera?
This is it!
They're taking cops!
Molly!
Okay, relax. We can lose them. I mean, it's just a car, right?
It's a chopper! It's a chopper! We're gonna die!
Well, things got worse. When they get to the mall, the artist and his friends, SMG4 the gang, Ruby and his friends, and SML, Junior, Chef Pee and Jeffy, and others are going to be the mall chasing when police are coming. Let's see what happens next.
I don't know. That bastard!
I don't know the words to this song. You're a kid now. You're a squid now. You're a kid. You're a squid. God damn it, Duffy! Why? Oh, I want to kill you right fucking now. You're so gross. That $500 is not worth it, Jeff. Now you're getting grounded. Why does everyone keep staring at me like that? That's all these innocent bitches!
What do we do? Eyes on us, ugly! Is it working? Unfortunately, yes. Hang on!
Now I'm gonna teach you a lesson!
Alright then.
Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh my god, bro, chill out, it was just a prank.
That's nice. Good.
They're gonna catch us! They're gonna dissect us!
We are ditching out!
To all these baddies, that's our future! Outrun! Run!
Stop touching me!
That's so nice. Okie dokie. Damn it, Mario. Hey, Stinky. No, 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 gotta run for it. Let's go.
Jeez, these guys are big.
What? Put it right!
We got him!
Hey, that's pretty good.
That is some good smelling animated.
What do you want? Oh, you got to be fucking with me. Mario? How about you suck Mario's hot dog?
That's pretty fun. That's how you do it. Yeah, it's really cool.
Hey, Junior, guess what?
What?
What if I jumped from the trampoline onto the table? What will happen?
I don't know what would happen. You should try it.
I should?
You try it.
All right, I'm going.
You can make it. Jimmy? Jimmy, are you okay?
Better than me, specifically. But a lot of students.
Shut up, there's food!
Could you guys believe that? Did you guys see me? Me? I am fearless, baby. I think I rolled over my foot. We left it the same way you found it.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Took the words right out of my mouth.
You okay? I'm alright. Good. He's resting. Too much energy fighting. Well, hey, don't strain yourself.
天才航海士の力が必要なんでしょ？
What?
The pool of a punch